The Volkswagen Taos, introduced in 2020, features a 1.5-liter TSI turbocharged engine as its primary power plant. This EA211 engine produces 158 horsepower and uses advanced technologies including direct injection and active cylinder management. Here we can see the actual 1.5 TSI engine in the Taos engine bay. The black air intake tube and various engine components are visible, including the turbocharger system that has been a source of reliability concerns. The 1.5 TSI engine has shown mixed reliability results since its introduction. Industry ratings consistently place it below average compared to competitors in the compact SUV segment, with multiple documented issues affecting owner satisfaction. The first major issue is excessive oil consumption, with some vehicles consuming up to 1 quart of oil every 1,000 to 2,000 miles. This problem particularly affects early production models from 2020 and 2021. Carbon buildup on intake valves is another significant issue. This black soot accumulation, shown here, is a common problem with direct injection engines and requires professional cleaning every 40,000 to 60,000 miles. Turbocharger failures represent the third major reliability concern, especially in 2021 and 2022 models. This diagram shows the turbocharger system, where wastegate actuator malfunctions and premature bearing wear have been documented, often linked to the oil consumption problems. Volkswagen has responded to these reliability issues through multiple channels. They have issued technical service bulletins addressing the problems, released software updates for engine control systems, and extended powertrain warranty coverage for specific oil consumption issues. Despite these efforts, the 1.5 TSI engine in the Taos continues to rate below average for reliability compared to competitors. While improvements have been made in newer model years, early production vehicles from 2020 through 2022 are likely to continue experiencing these documented issues throughout their service life. The VW Taos 1.5 TSI engine has 3 major documented problems that owners need to understand and address proactively. The most serious issue is excessive oil consumption. Some engines consume up to 1 full quart of oil every 1,000 to 2,000 miles, which is far beyond normal levels. Carbon buildup on intake valves is another major concern. Direct injection engines are prone to carbon deposits that accumulate over time, reducing performance and requiring professional cleaning. Turbocharger failures are often linked to the oil consumption issues. When the engine runs low on oil, the turbocharger bearings can fail prematurely, leading to expensive repairs. To prevent these problems, follow these essential maintenance practices. First, change your oil every 5,000 miles using the correct VW specification oil. Here's the official VW oil specification chart to help you choose the correct oil for your engine. Always verify you're using the right specification. Additionally, always use premium fuel to reduce carbon buildup and strongly consider purchasing an extended warranty to protect against expensive repairs. Following these maintenance practices can significantly reduce the risk of major engine problems and extend the life of your VW Taos 1.5 TSI engine.